16 Best Natural Deodorants for Women 2021 Aluminum-free deodorants that work. While there is no scientific evidence linking the use of conventional deodorant with breast cancer, some research suggests that aluminum-containing underarm antiperspirants, which are applied frequently and left on the skin near the breast, may be absorbed by the skin and have estrogen-like, hormonal, effects, according to the National Cancer Institute. And because estrogen can promote breast cancer cell growth, some scientists argue that aluminum-based compounds could contribute to the development of breast cancer. Because of these concerns, it's no surprise that some people are choosing to go natural, but switching from antiperspirant to aluminum-free deodorant can be nerve-wracking. You may worry about how your body might react to a natural option, if you'll sweat more, and, most importantly, how a natural deodorant will make you smell. When switching to natural deodorant, many people have a slight adjustment period for a week or two. You may feel like you're sweating more than usual, but give your body time to get used to sweating again before writing off the product. You also may need to try a few natural deodorants before you find one that's right for your body chemistry. Best Overall Natural Deodorant. Baking Soda-Free Natural Aluminum-Free Deodorant Stick by Freedom. Best Value Natural Deodorant. 0% Aluminum Deodorant by Dove. Best Smelling Natural Deodorant. Rio de Sol de Janeiro Sephora. Best Soothing Natural Deodorant. Chemistry AHA Serum Deodorant by KOSAS. Best Natural Deodorant for Sweating. Deodorant Taos Air. Best Full Body Natural Deodorant. Deodorant for Underarms and Private Parts Lume. Best Natural Deodorant for Sensitive Skin. Hop and Fresh Deodorant Ursa Major. Best Long-Lasting Natural Deodorant. Deodorant Native. Best Skin Smoothing Natural Deodorant. The Deodorant Necessaire. Best Natural Deodorant for Working Out. Aluminum-free deodorant KOPARI. Best customizable natural deodorant. Deodorant MYRO. Best absorptive natural deodorant. Aluminum-free natural deodorant SCHMIDT'S. Best natural deodorant without baking soda. Megababe Rosy Pits Daily Deodorant. Best scented natural deodorant. The Healthy Deodorant Sport Luxe LAVANILA. Best unscented natural deodorant. Long-lasting deodorant Toms of Maine. Best refillable natural deodorant. The Clean Deobeautycounter. All shop link on the description below. Thank you.